Hey, this is Matt Gallimore, auctioneer with United Country Blue Ridge Land and Auction. And I'm here with Sharon Roseman, auctioneer with Big Six Properties, United Country Big Six Properties out of Taylorsville. We're actually at a property that's just outside of Taylorsville, and we got one heck of an auction coming up, folks. We got about 75 lots. I'm standing right in front of a Mahindra 4540 four-wheel drive tractor. You know, all the implements come with it, and then we've got 3 trailers, a dump truck, another tractor, and an excavator, and a lot of miscellaneous tools. So I don't think anybody around here is going to want to miss that.
Oh,
so
absolutely.
I think they're going to want to know, you know, when the dates are. And again, they can go get all the information at ncauctionpro.com. So when are you going to finish this auction up?
So the bidding is gonna close on July the 9th. Pickup's gonna be July the 12th, and you can do a preview on June 21st. And if you want to see any other time, or you have questions, you can call me directly. I'm right here in Alexander County at Sharon Roseman at 828-320-4726. So June the 21st for the preview, July the 9th for the auction ending, and July the 12th. Mark your calendars to come pick up your new tractor.
To come pick it up, and you're
Yep.
responsible for hauling it, loading it,
Loading
picking
it.
it up, and everything.
I'm just here to collect the check.
You're just here to collect the check. That's right. Again, folks, you can go to ncauctionpro.com to get all the information. And you know, if you got any questions, give Sharon a call.
All right, sounds
Thank
great.
you.